Hey guys, it's JCube, and in this video I have a really exciting unboxing from the cubicle.us. So in here should be the new Angstrom Valk M, some DNM 37, new stickers for my GAN, and a couple more other stuff that I can't exactly remember. So let's get into it. So here we have everything. So the Angstrom Valk M, DNM 37, and some stickers, and I also got some logos, and I believe a sticker razor, which is probably in there. I'm going to save the best for last, and I'm going to explain these two. So the reason I got stickers was because my SM, some of the stickers were peeling, so I thought I would get stickers. So okay, alright, so there's the sticker razor, and these are full fitted, so I'm excited to see how these will look on a GAN puzzle, full fitted stickers. So I will make sure to show you guys at the end of the video. And the DNM 37 here is also for my SM. So my SM feels very dry right now, like you can listen to the sound. It's very dry. So I thought I would put some DNM 37 in here and see how that speeds it up. And my Angstrom Valk M. So I'm super excited to get into this. So let's get into this. Couldn't get it open this way last time either. Okay, so I also had full fitted stickers put on this cube. Oh, they look really nice. Oh, okay. So let's take a look at this pamphlet. So it has Roe Hessler right there. Oh, and there's an extra flap. There's Phil, and there's Chris Tran, and Cubicle Labs and Cubicle Pro Shop. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And we have a clear stand and the cube. So the Angstrom sticker, the logo, is on the red side. And oh wow, I think these full fitted stickers look pretty good. So let's just open this up. Okay, finally I got it open. Okay, there we are. Okay, so just one more time, this is the Valk M, and another reason I'm very excited is that this is my first Valk cube, so I'm really excited for that. So let's get into first turns. Okay, so right off the bat, right out of the box, this cube is really slow, I should say. It's not very fast, and it feels a little gummy. The feeling is very unique. Like the M slices, they're a little slow. But right off the bat, I can tell that these magnets are a lot lighter than the magnets on my GTS2M or even my SM. Wow, it's just a very unique feeling cube. Okay, so here's how I can describe it. So right out of the box, it's very slow, but it's also very controllable. It's a little slow, but I would say that it's very controllable. That could be the magnets or the new Angstrom lubes that are in here. Can't really see them, but I do know that they're in there. And this cube, like I can't feel the lube necessarily, but I do know that it's lube. Like there's this sound difference. Like you can like almost hear the lube in there, but in this cube, you can't hear the lube. Okay, wow, it's a very interesting cube. So I'll do a lot more solves on this and then get back. Okay guys, so I just finished re-stickering my GAN Air SM with full fitted stickers. They look absolutely amazing. Now there are a couple air bubbles here and there, but considering that this was my first time re-stickering a cube, I think I did pretty good. And I also put the cubicle logo on there. I also put it on the Yushin Little Magic, and I have one more. I'm just not sure which cube to put it on, but wow, I think these full fitted stickers look amazing on the SM and on the Angstrom Valk M. And for the lube tests, I haven't lubricated this yet, so I'll be doing a separate video where I lubricate this cube and my other mains, the MF4S and the MF2S. I'll be lubricating all my mains and giving you my thoughts. And I think I might also lubricate the Yushin Little Magic because I like this cube as well. Okay, so that about wraps it up for our unboxing of the Angstrom Valk M stickers and the logos. Well, the stickers were for the GANs, and I got logos for my cubes. The sticker Razor, I guess, and DNM 37. J-Cube
and E-Cube
out.
What's up, guys? It's E-Cube. I thought that I would give you guys my first impressions on the Angstrom Valk M in this video. So, to start out, I still personally prefer the GAN Air SM. However, this cube is a really solid cube. The setup was pretty much perfect and its performance is amazing. Right out of the box, it's very gummy and very slow, but after some break-in, the cube is smooth, fast, and controllable. The magnets are very light but still provide that definite click and touch of stability. J-Cube says it will be his main, and though I like the smoothness of the SM better, I think this cube will be a potential main. Overall, we highly suggest this cube.